Hi everyone and welcome to the Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce the Advanced Installer extension for Visual Studio 2026, which lets you create and build the Advanced Installer projects directly from Visual Studio. For this tutorial, I've already prepared a sample WinForm application. Now it's time to add the setup project. To do this, first make sure you have the Advanced Installer extension installed, which you can download from the Visual Studio Marketplace. Once installed, you are ready to create the setup project. Simply right-click on your solution and choose Add New Project. From the list of templates, select the Advanced Installer Project template, configure it, and click Create. After the project is created, select the API file to open the Advanced Installer Viewer. Here, you can quickly modify basic information about your installer, such as product details, install parameters, launch conditions, or you can configure and deploy MSIX packages. You can also add a project output directly from the Files and Folders view. For more advanced configurations, you can open the project in the Advanced Installer application by using the Edit in Advanced Installer button located in the bottom left corner of the viewer. After you edit the installer project in Advanced Installer, just save and exit. Then go back to Visual Studio to reload the installer project files, which include all your changes. Once you finish configuring the setup project, build it to generate the installer and then run it to install your application. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.